Ka Conference of Religious India Ribhoi Zone hakashipho trek jilio kalapanlong daga jingalang lingkot hakhamar kanong po town shopping complex barpanbut sakajingat padba hasurok hakathan nongpo kumkadak kajingatli barki pat Riewniam Khristan hajila Manipur barki weki jaka jongkari India hakate gajingalang bayat padba jongka CRI hanongpo lawan banshambanta rikinoyalam nyam nakathan chatela mingi bakuntop your brother Varghese SG Sister Eskokiana Vas, MS MHC, Northeast Regional CRI Secretary, Sister Prima Chowalur, SCC, Convener of Northeast Forum of Religious for Justice and Peace, Sister Teresa Kamuswam, FMA, CRI Shillong, President Father Lawrence Karluni, Shillong Archdiocese, Brother Sunil Brito, CFC, CRI Ribhoi President, Sister Melitas Aim, MSMHC kisamla jaga Saint Stephen Hostel Girls ba Opel Lingdo rang ba shnong kanongpo bat kiwe hakate gajingat palba rasa khiru da kijingra plakat ba don ki kantin Pyrshah ya kajing sha ban ben jong ki Khristan
for banyawan snokti lang bat ni kum ka kanbon hakane kasi
to welcome, we wish you. It is a joy for us to welcome you in our midst. Kadigas ni bakmen, si buram ya pingi ay, ya kublay ya pi, bagit niyang subhaya pi. Bahagan ni kasi pi, adan ringkat bani, ay maway ay ringdaya pi. Hoy, 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 hoy. Welcome, hearty welcome, welcome in our midst. Welcome, hearty welcome, welcome we wish you. Dabjik sunguya piba pilaya namayahi, himdane ban ay laitang lagi jingduway. Leuna yete ya kijing kerkukar hai, ha kijing tre jingta jom piba malakasi. I vow Riewniam Dayapi.
Oh, it's time to turn our head to the greatest hero of all. We can go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere soon make a change.
Today we come together to stand united to demonstrate our unwavering support and solidarity with those who are bearing the brunt of escalating injustices in our beloved nation. Our hearts ache for the countless individuals who have become victims of injustices, and we pledge our commitment to addressing these pressing concerns. From targeting violence against Christians and tribals in Manipur to relentless attacks on church personnel and institutions, the disturbing normalization of hate speeches, our country is witnessing a wave of alarming events. Additionally, we cannot overlook the dire circumstances faced by our brave women wrestlers whose voice of protest have fallen on deaf ears. Today, we are going to gather in Nongpo to be a voice for the voiceless, the advocates for justice, the agents of change. We must rise above our differences, embrace compassion, and reject hatred. It is our shared responsibility to ensure that principles of equality and justice permeate every aspect of our society. Let us march forward with determination, knowing that our collective efforts can make a difference.